Hi everyone, my name is Maddie coming to you from the Children's Museum Houston. Today I'm in our Nico's Diner in our Metropolis exhibit. And today I'm going to be showing you how to create and decorate your own beautiful cupcakes. Alrighty, so today I'm going to show you how to decorate sunflower cupcakes. So what you're going to need are some cupcakes and a little spatula. And then I have my different colored icings. I have a brown one. And then I have yellow, and I have green. And then you can also use some chocolate sprinkles. So we're going to start by using our brown icing. We're going to scoop some with our spatula and add some on top of the cupcake. So we're just going to smooth it out. This will be the base of our flower. And once you have covered the top of the cupcake, then we can use our yellow icing. So to make the petals of your sunflower, you're going to need a leaf tip. So it has the open edges like this. And then you're going to take your piping bag and then you're going to hold it straight up. So the opening of the leaf tip is vertical and not horizontal. And then you're going to start at the edge of the cupcake, and then you're just going to press and then pull out. And then you'll have your petal. You can just keep going all around the edge of the cupcake, slightly pressing and then pulling out. And there you have the edge of your flower, and then you can go around, and we're going to do it probably 2 or 3 times. And once you have added all of your petals, make sure to leave a round center, so that way you can leave the brown center of the flower. We're going to take our brown sprinkles and sprinkle them in the middle. And lastly, you're going to take your green icing, also with the leaf tip, and you're going to use the same technique. You're going to hold the tip vertically, and you're going to push and pull out to make leaves. So I'm going to choose one edge of my cupcake. I'm going to put some here. And then I'll make 2 or 3 leaves. And that's your sunflower cupcake. Thank you for joining me today and for decorating cupcakes along with me. And I definitely want to see your beautiful creations as well. So make sure to tag us on social media and to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more awesome videos. My name is Maddie, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!